I am so excited because I finally finished at least one wall. And of course, it took me way longer than it should have. Because now I have one full wall done. Before I had the tapestry up here and that one section of the wall wasn't done. Now it's literally the entire wall is complete. I've done portions of like this wall, which you can see in the pictures. And I normally use this one because this wall is much bigger and it's just easier with the way I have the camera set up. It's actually just my iPhone propped on a mic stand. And then I just have this bright desk lamp that just emits this white light and kind of makes me look like a ghost. But it's better than looking like there's no light at all and this room is dark as fuck. Because it normally is dark, like very dark, like it's 2:30 in the morning right now. I don't really have the best schedule, so I do what I can and I do it when I can. And I'm gonna try to be more consistent with it and we're gonna see what happens, you know? I don't know. The reason why I'm so excited is because I just feel accomplished with something that I did. I set a goal and I've met that goal. This took me so long to do. It took me so long to do, way longer than it should have. But it's done now, and I see this every single day, and I notice it, and I'm just like, wow, like that's something I wanted to do, and now I've done it. And it took me forever to do it, but it's done now, and I'm so happy. I just am. And it's trivial because it's not really about the wall being done. It's just the feeling of accomplishment of something that didn't need to get done, but I did it. So what initially happened was I was told that I can paint these walls. So my mother comes to me and she's like, well, now that that's your room, you can paint the walls any color you want. And I said, okay, well, if I'm gonna paint the walls anyway, I'll paint the walls myself. And I told her I'll even buy the paint, but I'm not gonna do it just yet. She said, okay, what are you gonna do? I said, well, I'm not gonna paint, that's for sure. She knew I didn't like the colors of the walls, and in all honesty, it's really bad. I really don't like them, like a lot. And in the video, the walls kind of look red. They're not red. It's like a weird orange, almost salmon peach type of color. It is very strange, and I don't like it at all, even a little bit. I'm just not a fan. It's just not, it's me, not the wall. I'm just really focused on work and school right now. It's not the wall, it's me. But nevertheless, there is so much tape on this wall. I probably could have done it in a lot less time and with a lot less tape, and I'm excited to see how the rest of the room will turn out. But in the meantime, I'm just happy that I got this wall done because this was the wall I planned on doing the videos for. So now I've left myself with no excuses, and that's part of what makes me happy, but it also makes me excited and a little nervous at the same time because I've wanted to start a channel for years now, and I don't really know why I haven't. I guess it was just excuses. And it's great because now I have no excuses, so I have to do it. And that's why I'm happy that I get to do a video on the wall itself. It works so well. It just works so well. Although the rest of the room kind of looks like shit. It's okay though, I'm alright with that. That's not my major concern right now. I'm just happy that I got something done. I really wanted to hang them upside down so it got the aspect that it really doesn't matter what's on these. That's not the point of it. It's the collection of them as a whole. I put them upside down so you wouldn't be able to read them easily. You would actually have to work to read them because I didn't want you to read them. That was the point. So if you're watching this video and you find something on these and you're wondering if it was intentional, it wasn't intentional. It was completely random in every way it possibly could have been. The only way I could have made it more random is if I had more magazines, but these aren't even really my magazines. I know someone. I got a magazine guy, okay? It's Bloomberg. I know someone who has a subscription to this magazine, and I get them about a week late, so I can still read some of the articles, and they're still relatively relevant. I really don't read them though. I don't read a lot of them at all. I mean, I read some of them, titles mostly. But all in all, whenever I really do anything that I'm enjoying, I try to make it like an art project. And that's exactly what this was an art project. But I don't know, I really like the way it looks. I like the way that it's kind of randomized, but I also like the fact that it's not a completely white wall, because I would have painted these walls either white or black, and I needed something that was bright so it would reflect the light very well, so I could do videos in a nice location, because there's honestly, like I was looking, I'm like, there's no other spot I would want to do them. So I really wanted to create this for a very long time, and I finally got it done. And that's pretty much it. There's not too much more I could say about this. So yeah, what have you done lately? Because I did nothing, but I guess art. Well, thank you for watching. It won't be long until I'm creating at least one more video, maybe.